Hey guys, it's your girl Taylor Made of Eclectic Creations. Just wanted to come on real quick, show you guys these new poker cards that I just did. Father's Day is coming up, so don't y'all think that poker cards would be customized? Poker cards would be a great gift idea for Father's Day. So in the link below, I will have the supplies that I use to make these cards. And it's just a little quick something. It's not a tutorial, but it is going to show you the design. It's going to show you the product, and then it's going to show you the finished work when it's in the box. So let's get into it and see what I did.